So now when we're making almond milk, we're using the juice strainer. This is the gold strainer that comes with the juicer. So you don't need any extra attachments when you're making almond milk or any of your nut milks. You just use the standard gold attachment that comes with the juicer. So we'll pop that in. Press goes into the center. And we're ready to go. So almond milk, what do we need to make our almond milk with? We need almonds. Now we've soaked those overnight, so there's a cup of almonds there. I'm going to put in a little bit of date into this one for some sweetness. And then we want some fresh, clean water to go in our almond milk. Now, if you're like me, I do like to have a bit of almond milk. And when you look in the stores and you buy your almond milk in the stores, you'll see 2%, 3% almonds, maybe that's about all you get in it. When you're making your almond milk at home, you can control the percentage of almonds. So more like 10 or 20%, and it's going to be much more flavour for you. The other thing that happens when you buy store-bought almond milk is they often put gums and fillers and additives into the milk to package it and ship it around the world. When you're making it at home, you've literally got 2 ingredients, almond and water, and put in a little bit of sweetness like some dates. So less is best here. So here we go. All right, we'll just turn it on. I'll show you really, really simple almonds. I'm going to pop them in the juicer and then just pour in a little bit of water in. And all you need to do is just alternate between almonds and water. Handful of almonds, handful of water, handful of almonds, a little bit of water. At some point, just pop your dates in. Now, you can use some other things to sweeten it. Make sure though, really make sure you remove the pit from inside the date because we don't want that going through the juicer. Pear, slices of pear is another really good thing you can use to sweeten your almond milk. Of course, you don't have to sweeten it. You can, if you really love your almonds. And have a look at this. Look how much milk I've got already. The bowl's nearly full. I've got 400 mils there. And we're just pouring out the almond milk like that. No need to strain it. No need to squeeze it in a bag. And what we've got coming out on the side here, that's the almond meal. So the almond meal, you can keep this and use it for baking, use it for making cookies, use it for different recipes so that nothing gets wasted. Okay, have a look how much I've got here. So there we go. How simple was that to make our own almond milk at home? Now, 2 to 1 is about the ratio that I like to use. So 1 cup of almonds, 2 cups of water, but it's totally up to you. You can use 3 cups. If I ran another cup of water through that juicer now, I'd pick up a whole heap more. I could run another 2 cups. So you get to control the flavour, the texture, the quantity that you put in, which is another reason why we love making our own almond milk. So let's just put that into the bottle. You can see how smooth and simple that was, right? Try. Yeah, there's so much more almond flavour. It's just got so much more taste than your store-bought milks. I really like it.